Question number 11. Question number 11 is about light. Figure 11.1 shows part of the path of a ray of light PQ traveling in an optical fiber. 11a. On figure 11.1, carefully complete the path of the ray of light until it leaves this section of the optical fiber. To complete the path of the ray of light, first draw a normal right at point Q, like this one. Make sure the normal form a 90 degrees angle to the tangent at point Q. Then use your protractor and measure the angle between PQ and the normal. Make the same angle to the other side of the normal. Then you will get the next path of the ray of light. Make sure this angle equals to this one. Next, draw another normal at this point, like this. Make sure the normal forms a 90 degrees angle to the tangent at this point. Then use your protractor, measure again the angle between this line and the normal. Make the same angle to the other side of the normal. Then you get the next path of the ray of light. Again, make sure this one and this one are the same angles. Next, draw one more normal at this point, like this. This normal must also form a 90 degrees angle to the tangent at this point. Use again your protractor to measure the angle between this line and the normal. Make the same angle to the other side of the normal. Then you get the last path of the ray of light for this section of the optical fiber. Make sure this angle equals to this one. Now guys, it is possible to get a different drawing from mine if you try to draw it by yourself on the question paper, because the drawing of figure 11.1 on this presentation might not have the same size as the figure 11.1 on the question paper. So, if you get a different drawing, then it's okay. Just make sure that this angle equals to this one, this angle equals to this one, and this angle equals to this one. Always measure the angles to the normal. Then you will get the correct drawing. Let's continue to 11b. The material of an optical fiber has a refractive index of 1.52. Calculate the critical angle. To calculate the critical angle, use this equation. Sin IC represents the symbol of critical angle, equals to 1, this is always 1, over the value of the denominator depends on the refractive index of the medium. In this case, the refractive index of the medium is 1.52. So put 1.52 as the denominator. This equals to 0.658. To find the value of IC, use your calculator and type in exactly like this. Sin to the power of -1, or this is read as inverse of sine, of 0.658. Then you will get the answer as 41 degrees. Before you type in the inverse of sine, make sure that your calculator mode is in degrees, not in radian. Now put in this into the provided space. So our answer is 41 degrees. Let's move on to the last question that we will discuss today. State what sort of reflection takes place within an optical fiber. It is called the total internal reflection. Explain your answer. The light must reach the end of the fiber with only small loss. That's why the total internal refraction must occur. This is the end of our discussion today. Your assignment for today is to do the same paper but from number 1 until number 6. Make sure to submit your assignment before 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Good luck with the assignment. Enjoy your long holiday for this Easter. See you on the next week. Bye.